back. We're taking another look at a movie review. This time we're talking about Shaft. So this is the new remake on Shaft on 2019, and it's got the next generation of Shaft. This kid over here, I don't know why he's pointing a gun at him. And Samuel L. Jackson is the middle Shaft from the last movie, so it's sort of a takeoff from the last movie quite a few years later. And you still got Richard Roundtree as the real Shaft in there also. And they bring him back in a cool way. Now, if you take Shaft seriously, you got issues. So Shaft is pretty cool from back in the day, one of my favorite of the old movies. And the new Shaft wasn't that bad, it wasn't great, but this movie is about the same. I'm not going to suggest it's the best movie out there. Honestly, it's probably not as good as Shaft could be. Probably is not as good as Shaft should be, but I'm not complaining. You're never going to get real Shaft again. This was okay. This was an interesting version of Shaft. So you got Shaft's mom in it now. Well, the new Shaft's mom, the Shaft's wife right there, which is a whole other aspect of Shaft that nobody needed to hear about. Shaft doesn't need to be married, but in this movie he is. So yeah, this is the new Shaft, and you still got Richard Roundtree kicking butt. Got this new kid, and then Samuel L. Jackson. We'll have a link to the good Shafts over at Amazon. Shaft's big score is pretty awesome, but Shaft in Africa, there ain't nothing like Shaft in Africa, man. So this thing is out in movies now. It looks like it's got shitty reviews, but that's because people don't know shit about Shaft. Let us know what you think. Thanks to our Patreons for giving us the chance to work on our two-way projects, work on community building, and take some time for fun projects like this one. Doing these in an evening after the Daily Gun Show. Thanks for watching.